Hi folks, I've got a really quick update video for you today to give you an idea of what's coming up, what's been going on, because it's been really busy this end and I thought I'd give you a heads up. So let's start off in the utility bathroom bit in the garage conversion. The window is in now. That video I'm kind of just working my way through, and then that'll be coming up. New arrivals in here. So they've just come in, they've been out on the lawn for a few hours in the sun. Right, outside now. Haven't quite finished the door yet. Got a load of new chickens, which shouldn't be out on the lawn. There's also a film on how we got hold of those, which is still to come. And you may also notice there's not quite as many chickens around. All of our meaties are now in the freezer. There is no video as such on that one, but that's been going on. Over this side of the garden, the fencing project, or the cladding project, as you saw last weekend, that's gone down really well, that video, and we've still got a little way to go to finish the rest of this down to the far end, but really pleased with how that came out. Now, during that same couple of days when we did that, Joe and I have been building this willow arch. Now, it was our 9-year anniversary, which traditionally is pottery or willow, so we figured we'd get a willow arch kit, and that's what we've been up to. So we've been weaving away and it's looking pretty good, and hopefully all the leaves will start coming on it soon. Spring appears to be finally arriving, and we've been able to get out in the garden a little bit, and our trampoline's getting a bit more use. If you haven't checked out that video or series of videos, we basically dug a huge hole in the hottest week of the year last year and sunk that in there. But I still need to do that wall. That was the bit I needed to finish off. Now we've got the veg garden back, once these chickens have all been locked away again. I've got a really cool design going on here for a big raised bed garden. Still need to pick up the timber for that and find some days. An extra day in the week would be handy. And I'm going to build a huge raised bed garden here. On the subject of raised beds, I'm also doing a job for a friend. A really nice oak sleeper raised bed garden, and I'm finishing that on Monday, so that's another film. In the polytunnel, as well as all of our reclaimed doors that we're trying to keep dry, we've made a start with the girls on most of the salads and veg sheets for the year, and then we'll do another sowing in kind of 3 weeks or so. But hopefully by the time the raised beds are built, these will be ready to go out. We've done the soil block system again, which are a really handy way to plant, and no plastic to worry about, and then some of these are just the kids' pansies and things like that. What else was there? Okay, so last but not least is the video which will be coming out this weekend. Now, I've been on about it for a long time that I would be going to visit more people's projects and do a bit of a Great British DIY tour, and the first episode of that, kind of like a pilot I guess, is a barn conversion. I went to travel down to just over the border in Devon, and Pat and Anna are converting a barn into their family home, and I filmed an episode down there. It'll be interesting to see how well it goes down. Hopefully it's going to come across really well, and hopefully it'll kind of just give a different element to the channel, seeing other builds, bigger builds, smaller builds, different people approaching different jobs in different ways. So that will be out of the weekend, but I wanted to do this video as a way of just kind of explaining what on earth that video is, and a little bit of the background. Look, you're the wrong side of the fence, girl. Actually, to be fair to them, I don't think Eden put their food out this morning when she let them out. She's getting good at her chores, but not quite good enough. Sorry, girls. Get your beaks on that. And another bit of filming that we've been up to is yesterday I went down to the sawmill that supplies all of our green oak and a load of hardwood and things like that, and they gave behind the scenes tour of their sawmill. So I'm going to try and compile that into a video as well. And very last is the kitchen renovation, or the kitchen project I've been doing, which is a collaboration project with B&Q, and that should be out in the next couple of weeks. There's a little bit to finish on that one still, but that one's taken its toll on me, but it's almost there. But that's it. Hope everyone's had a good week and enjoy the videos over the next few days, and we'll try and get back into a bit of routine. Remember, if you can, do it yourself, and we'll see you next time.